What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kelsey Jordan back with another video. Today I'm making my shrimp and grits tutorial. Here are my ingredients. I got a little leftover turkey sausage from that gumbo video, green peppers, red peppers, onions, things of that nature. Those are like my key staples if you haven't noticed. So, of course, hot pan, hot oil, you already know this. Get those veggies and that sausage sauteed, and let's move on with our lives. Of course, I'm adding a little bit of teensy bit of salt to help break things down and cook this faster. Go ahead and give it a saute without the utensil if you're feeling fancy. If not, using this utensil is fine. Of course, I'm coming in with Tony's. That's my guy. OMG, I love this guy. Okay, so I'm seasoning my vegetables, my sausages, and I'm adding a little bit of paprika for color because, as you all can see from the title, I'm using plant-based milk. So adding the paprika helps with adding a little dimension of color because, with heavy cream or half and half, it instantly soaks up any seasoning and any color that you add. So adding the extra paprika will help make it look more appealing. Here's a little Worcestershire or Worcestershire, however you may fancy. I call it Worcestershire sauce. Throw that right in there, and once again stir it on up and move on to the next step. I have a little minced garlic, pre-minced garlic, because sometimes I'll be feeling lazy. Now, I didn't use a whole teaspoon, as you notice. But, of course, everything will be in the description box. I'm trying to really help you all with these exact measurements. It's a little hard for me, but it's okay. So this is what I use for any of my pastas or any cream sauce I'm making. Unsweetened creamy cashew milk. Now, they do have a silk protein one, and that's super thick, y'all. It's like perfect for making a cream sauce, like even better than this. So I measured out a cup of cashew milk, but I'm gonna save 1/4 of it, and you'll see why later. So pour 3/4 in here now and stir it on up. Now, a key point is not to let this boil. Do not let this sauce boil. Make sure it's all the way on low heat, because if you let it boil, I know this foam start rising up. It has like this real weird texture, and it just messes everything up. Now I'm putting chicken bouillon in my grits water, and I'm going to follow instructions on the grits packet. Taste as you go. Of course, taste as you go. Now look here, this is that last 1/4. I'm putting a little bit of cornstarch in here, mixing it all together, because if you all know, a cornstarch slurry is cornstarch plus water, but I'm using a little bit left over my cashew milk. Now this will help thicken the sauce. Now for this part, after I cook these shrimps, look at that seasoning. Hold on, let's just pause. I had to bring the bowl back. Look at all that. Ha ha! Yummy! Stop playing with the kid. Mix it all in and turn that heat up to like medium heat now. Especially when you add that cornstarch slurry in there, because it needs heat to help thicken up the sauce every single time. Not with just this recipe, but every single time. So stirring a little bit at a time, mix it all in, and then stir some more and mix it all in until you get the consistency that you like. Everyone may like it like a gravy, you know what I'm saying? Some people might like it like a sauce. I like mine kind of in between. And if it does get too thick for you, add a little bit more cashew milk in, or add some water in and just stir it up, okay? Cool beans. Next, taste as you go. Once again, if you want to add some more seasoning, be my guest. And I say be my pleasure. My pleasure. Chick-fil-A. No, I'm just playing. Be my guest and add a little bit more seasoning, but please taste as you go, because I don't want to hear nothing in the comments talking about this was too salty or this was too that. No, you need to listen, because that's y'all issue nowadays. Y'all don't listen. So go as you go and taste as you go and adjust as you go. All right. So I added some black pepper, my American cheese, a little vegan butter in here. And the key to this is stirring it very slowly, y'all. like slowly. I notice if you whisk it in, the cheese and the butter in, the seasonings, at the end of the day, it will not taste like anything. It's so weird. But if you go like this and take your time with it and just kind of slowly mix it in and then leave it. Don't keep mixing. Like you can see the cheese in there. But don't go whisking and stirring fast. I promise you. You'll taste it and it won't taste like nothing even after you put a pound of butter in there and 5-6 cheese slices in there. I know what I'm talking about. Alright, so now it's time to plate, of course. Get your grits down at the bottom. Then your sauce, of course. And then with most Cajun dishes, we're gonna put some green onion on top. And some parsley. Fresh preferably, but dry parsley will work as well. And to top it off for more aesthetics, a little bit of black pepper, and voila! Here we have it, our shrimp and grits with our plant-based butter, plant-based milk. It's okay to substitute items to lead to a healthier lifestyle. We're not diving in completely, and not everybody is ready just yet, but little steps will take you a very long way. I hope that you all enjoy this video and stay tuned for my next video. I have like a big announcement to make and it's involving seafood. It's something that I love, so stay tuned for what's next because I have something to say. But thank you all for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoy. And if you try it, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what your thoughts are, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.